And now let's understand, if you want to start or if you want to get into this industrial automation career, so what you need and how you can get it. But before that, let's understand which kind of roles are available in the industrial automation field. First of all, PLC programmer, automation engineer, DCS engineer, SCADA developer, report generator, or you can say that the commissioning engineer, field service engineer are different roles in the industrial automation field. If you want to start your career as a PLC programmer, so at the first stage, at the starting point of your career, it's good. Start as a PLC programmer, automation engineer, or as a junior engineer or as a junior project engineer. You can start with the Siemens PLC and Allen Bradley PLC programming. For example, if you have more than 2 years of 3 years of experience, then you can definitely learn the DCS, SCADA and report generation activities that involves the different softwares. Like in the Siemens, there is a PCS7 DCS software. Like in the Rockwell, there is a Plant PX DCS software. You need to have the IT skills also, like SQL handling, VB scripting, Visual Studio, how to generate the report by using the SQL, Visual Studio and VB scripting. That you need to know if you have 3 to 4 years of experience, because you are already experienced in the industrial automation. So that you need to have the new upcoming skills or new advanced skills into your portfolio or into your resume. So in general, if you are a fresher or a student, you can definitely start with the one PLC programming like Siemens or Allen Bradley. But if you are not fresher, if you are experienced in the industrial automation, like 2 or 3 years of experience, then definitely you need to learn the new skills like SQL, VB scripting, Visual Studio, DCS, IIoT, MES, etc. Between 1 or 2 years, you can be a junior engineer. Between 2 to 5 years you can be a senior engineer, or between 5 to 10 years you can be a lead project engineer. But after 10 years you will be a managerial role in the industrial automation field. For example, a branch manager, or you can say that a team leader, assistant manager, or you can say that it's a manager. So these are the major roles which are consist in the experienced level, right? First 1 or 2 years junior, then 2 to 5 years there is a senior, then 5 to 10 years there is a lead, then after 10 years there is a managerial roles in the industrial automations are available. To reach at the good position in the industrial automation after 10 years, you need to follow some particular path, and that path I will explain you. For first year, you need to just understand what is the PLC and what is the HMI, and how to communicate between PLC and HMI, how to deal with the small kind of the machines where PLC and only one HMI is installed, right? Because to operate that machine, you need to program one kind of the PLC, and you need to develop one HMI, human machine interface, to operate that machine. Okay, so for 1 and a half month, you need to just understand one kind of PLC and one kind of HMI. I recommend strongly that you can start with the Siemens and the Rockwell products as far as the PLC and HMI is concerned. Then after 1.5 years, you need to definitely start the HMI or SCADA development activities, because you need to grow into your field, right? So SCADA, HMI development and DCS development are also playing the major roles to grow your career. So for 2 years to 5 years, you need to mainly focus on the DCS side, where you can do the bulk engineering activities like 10,000 IOs, 1,000 IOs, 500 IOs project you can handle if you know the DCS technologies. If you want to grow in the industrial automation in the pharmaceutical industry, then definitely you need to have the IT skills also, like SQL handling, VB scripting, to do the report generation activities. Because in the pharmaceutical industries, there are some particular norms like 21 CFR that you need to follow, part 11 that you need to follow, electronic records and electronic signatures that you need to follow. So for that, IT skills are mandatory with this PLC, HMI, SCADA and DCS skills. So these are the different skills that I have explained you that you need to follow into your career and to grow your industrial automation career. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.